Now I will show you one option which will make more attractive your presentation. For example, we have been created some slides or around 8 slides we can, already we have been done. Okay, if you go to the presentation mode, just you have to go to presentation mode. You can observe if I click next, it comes plain, in the sense doesn't have any impact like that, right? For example, if I use a transition, in the sense some effects to come to the next slide, the some effect if I am adding to the slides, then it will look nice. How to do that one? We'll go to a slide, slide and transition. Okay, on right hand side you can see what kind of motion if you like to apply. I will say that slide from right, in the sense from right side it will come. Similarly for the second one, slide from right. Third one, I will say slide from left. Fourth one, I say flip. Fifth one, I can say cube. Okay, and you can observe here the moment you apply this motion, the kind motion symbol has been applied to those slides also. Sixth one, if I say paid, anytime you can change also these motions, you can change, dissolve. Okay, last one I didn't given any motion. Okay, like this. For example, if I go now presenting, you can observe here if I click next, you can see from left, flip, like this it will autoplay, table appeared, like this. Okay, there is no transaction. To come back from the presentation mode, we have to hit escape. Okay, again one more thing. For example, within here, okay, first product need to be come, then we have to get a mobile, this particular thing has to come, then one by one image has to be appear. Like this, if you have a condition within a slide, all up together should not appear at a time, one by one has to appear. For that, what we have to do, we have to go to select this product. Okay, select this product, then you can say add animation here. Okay, add animation, or you can go to insert animation. If it is not activated, we have to go to insert and say animation. Okay, in animation, this one will say what kind of animation you would like to give. I say plain top, like this. I have been given some animation for mobile, this particular thing, add animation, paid out. Okay, then the image appear, add animation, zoom out, laptop section, add animation, and we'll say disappear, or we'll select something else, fly out from the right. For example, if you are presenting now, you can observe changes. Okay, it will appear one by one, like this. Okay, appear, or you have been selected a paid outs, all are outs, so that it will be disappearing one by one, like this it will be used. In a sense, one is the animation will be used to appear or disappear, and transition is between a slide. Within a slide we are using an animation, between a slide we are using a transition, that is in a slide, and within a slide we are using a animation for any of the text to animate, fly in, fly out. Okay, out is nothing but it coming out. Okay, in is nothing but to appear. Okay, out is nothing but it will disappear. That is about a animation and transition.